Hello, I'm Ron Filio with Filio Agency Insurance. So you understand you need to have work comp insurance because you viewed our video on work comp insurance. Now the biggest question to you is, how much is this going to cost me and my business? Well, work comp is not like a generic policy where you just go out and you buy a policy for work comp. Work comp is specifically rated, and there's two factors that go into rating it. The first one is, what kind of work are your people doing? Someone that's working inside an office has a very, very low hazardous job. Someone that is a steel worker, trimming trees, putting on roofs, those are all very high hazardous jobs. And the chance for those people to get injured are much more than, let's say, the office worker. So the rate for those types of jobs is going to be much more expensive than an office worker. So the first thing is what type of job they're doing. That's called the classification, and there's different codes for every job. Your agent should be able to help you find the appropriate code for your business. The next thing that work comp is based off of is based on payroll. The higher your payroll, the higher your work comp. Work comp it's based on every $100 of payroll you have, they assign a figure to that, and that's how much they charge you for work comp. When I say they, I mean the state. The state sets the rates on this. So it doesn't matter which insurance company you go to because the rates are going to be the same with every single company. The insurance companies just administer the program. So how much is your payroll and what type of work are they doing? Those are the classifications that are going to matter to how much you pay. Now, agents should be able to help you determine the appropriate classification and then help you get a rate on that. A couple quick things on which company you choose. If your payroll is large enough and your premiums are high enough, you may be eligible for what's known as an experience modification. So if your losses are better or worse than the average people in that classification, you might get a lower rate or you might get a more expensive rate depending on your experience. An experience modification is only assigned after a company's been in business for several years and they've developed a track record. The next thing is being able to get a dividend. Some insurance companies will give you money back from your work comp policy if you didn't have a claim or if you didn't have many claims. Those are called a dividend. Again, if your account is large enough, the insurance company may offer you a dividend. A good insurance agent will talk to you about that and incorporate that with the rest of your business insurance. Usually the best way to do it is to make sure your work comp insurance is with the same carrier that you have the rest of your business insurance with. I'm Ron Filio with Filio Agency Insurance, and make sure to check out our other videos at filio.com.